In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to factory reset your iPad. So if you want to do that, like if you are facing any issue and want to factory reset, completely reset your iPad guys, then you can do here one thing. First of all, you have to tap on this setting option over here, and then you can scroll down. You have to be in the general option. Can you see this general option? Just tap on this and now just scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find this transfer or reset iPad. Tap on this option, and from here you will see two options: reset or erase all content and settings. So if you want to factory reset, you have to tap on the last option, and this will factory reset guys your all iPad. So it will be factory reset completely your iPad. So yeah, that's how guys you can do it. It will delete your content as well as settings. So yeah, but if you want to reset your setting only, then you can tap on reset button, reset option. So yeah, hope you like it. Try for more guys. Till then, bye bye.